learn about what is content writing basically. So content writing is a job you can do easily for freelancing. You can earn money by writing your content. So firstly we will see what is content writing basically and how we can do content writing, how to get jobs because of having the skills of content writing. So here you can see content writing is basically a process of writing, editing and publishing content in a digital format. So it includes, it may be blog posts, it can be videos, it can be ebooks, it can be press releases, product descriptions and many more things. These all are about content writing. And content writer is the person who has specialized in providing relevant content for websites. So for writing content and to learn content writing, you should learn to write articles. Firstly you should write 15 to 20 articles in your own language about any topic. It can be any topic. For example, it can be about health, and it can be about food, it can be about fashion, but you have to be take ideas from different websites. For example, if you are going to write about the topic health, you can see the content here and you can get idea that how to write an article about health. So after taking the idea about writing about health, you can do further. For example, if you want that if you want to be a good content writer, you should also explore Grammarly, that is used for checking the grammar of your article. So you can explore it and you can do put your articles here, and you can check your article quality here. So then you can upload it on your website. So content writing for every platform is different. For example, for website it will be an article, and for any e-commerce platform it could be a product description, and for YouTube it can be a description about the video. So for everything, every platform, content writing is different. So now talk about how we can get job. So we can get content writing job from freelancing platforms. So here Freelancer and many other platforms are here, from where you can do search and you can work. You can do your profile. You can create your profile on any freelancing platform. For example, Upwork, Freelancer, Guru.com and Fiverr. And here you can search about the jobs. Here you can find work. You can find work about content as a content writer, and you can get job easily by communicating with your customers. So hope you have enjoyed this video and learn to be